Ubuntu is an open source Debian Linux based operating system. It is used to perform various kinds of tasks including simulation work, developmental work, artificial intelligence based application including machine learning and deep learning. So being this reason, today in this video I'll show you how we can install Ubuntu operating system inside your Windows operating system. So before move forward, we have to be activate two different options from Windows feature. So for this task, just search feature and then click here, turn Windows features on or off. Click here and then scroll down the options. You will get here Windows Subsystem for Linux. You should have to be check this option. In my case, it is already checked, so I don't need to activate this option again. And you should have to be activate or check this option, that is virtual machine platform. You must to be check this option from here and then press OK button. Then you must to be restart your machine. After that your machine is ready. So to install Ubuntu with the help of Windows Subsystem for Linux, you should come here into Store app, Microsoft Store. Open this app, then search here Ubuntu. You'll get several options, and as per your interest or your need, you can install a suitable Ubuntu desktop in your computer. In my case, I'm just installing the latest version of Ubuntu, that is Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Press here Get button. Get, then authenticate your Microsoft account using your password as well as PIN of your laptop or your computer. Once you have authenticated your credentials, Ubuntu application is going to be installed in your machine. Its setup is 340 MB in size, so it will take time. You should wait for the completion of your download. It will take time. It's depend on your internet speed. Now Ubuntu setup is about to download. Once setup is completed to download, then you must click on open button. Here Ubuntu is not installing. We are getting an error. To resolve this kind of error, we have to be update over WSL2. Ubuntu OS is required minimal WSL2. So we have to be update over WSL. If you will get similar kind of error in your computer while installing Ubuntu, then you should follow these steps. You should come here on windows.com and then search here WSL update. After that you will get this page. Here scroll down this page and you will get a download link for WSL2 Linux kernel update package x64 machines. Just click here and you will get the setup of WSL2. I have already downloaded this setup, so I'm going just install this setup in my machine. Come here in your download folder and then click on WSL setup. Double click here, then press here next button. After that you have to be allow permission for the installing of this setup by pressing yes button, and finally you will click here. After that come back again on this page and you can see here we have to be set WSL2 as a default version. So for this task, just open PowerShell by writing in your search box PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and then copy this command and paste on your PowerShell window and then enter. The operation completed successfully. So now your machine is adopting WSL2 as a default version. Close PowerShell and then come here on Microsoft Store page and then press again open button. Now you can see here Ubuntu OS is going to be installed. It will take time. Now it is installed in your machine. Now you have to enter your username. I'm writing here my name, then enter. After that you have to be type password. You just type password here and you will never get any keyword here because it is invisible. Once you have typed your password, then press enter. After that you have to be type again this password. Now this time your password is not visible again. After that press enter. Now your machine is ready to use. So now you can perform any kind of Ubuntu based task. Here you can close this window and then open your Ubuntu from your search directory by writing Ubuntu. You'll get Ubuntu as the application here. Now you can run this Ubuntu app via directly open button, or you can use run as administrator. I'm just running via administrator privileges. Click here yes button and then you'll get your machine is started. Now you can use your Ubuntu operating system for your application installation or perform any kind of task. So this is the complete procedure how you can install Ubuntu operating system inside your Windows operating system. So enough for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.